Good morning. Well, today, what are we doing on our adventures today? We are going into quartzsite, and Rob is having a meetup, and we are going to go to that. And then we're going to the new Dollar General Market store. Got my list, and you'll probably see all this on next week's meal plan because this is for the RTR. Not the RTR. I've already done that. Well, we're going to do that again tomorrow, too. But, for Tyson Wells. So that's I think it's 9 days, Tyson Wells. So it is, we'll leave here at 7 o'clock in the morning and go there till 5 or 6, and by that time we're there. No stopping at the store, no. So this is meal prep, meal plan, get ready for that. So I think I'm gonna put my hoodie on because the wind is blowing again today out there, so I can put my hoodie on my head while we're outside. Another nasty day in quartzsite. But it's all right. It's all right. Okay, so yes, and put this over my head so it'll be a wind block. Anyway, that's what we're gonna do today. Go to the new market. I went in there briefly the other day, really not looking for anything, but just to kind of see what they had. They got a pretty good frozen section. And I saw Donna, so that was cool. And so today, I think I want to go there first. Kind of check prices. It's probably, I would think it would be cheaper at Dollar General than the other stores, but we shall see. Kind of do a price comparison and because I know what, I think it's $3.89 for ground turkey at one of them. So I don't even know if they have ground turkey, but we're gonna see if they do. Alright, take my toboggan, take my gloves, take my grocery list, my water, sunglasses, glasses. I think that's it. Let's go. I guess I need my dog. Come on, Sammy. Let's go, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. She says, oh, I had to wake up.
If you're watching Regina, I'm talking good things about you for Regina. Regina and David, my very best friends. She said, you remember Deborah Dickinson, Dallas, don't you? I go, yeah, what about it? Well, she has a YouTube channel. She's doing what you're talking about. So I got out there and I found her, and of course, she remembered me. And,
of course.
She offered to have me camp with her when I took the trial run out there in 2020. And,
There's a... Oh, look, minis. Dorito minis. Sorry. There's a Lay's. So we just got out of Coyote Fresh and now we got to go to Roadrunner. So, Dollar General, Market, Coyote Fresh, and Roadrunner to get everything. Okay, we're having chicken legs from Coyote Fresh. Sammy says, I want to buy the best chicken in town. Well, I was going to say that.
Best fried chicken, but not the best chicken tenders.
Where do you get those?
Carl's.
Oh, Carl's. Their chicken is really good right when you get it. I forgot we bought it, and then we went to Roadrunner, so now we're eating it. And I talked about this last year, their broccoli salad. So good. Do you want some broccoli salad? You want some broccoli salad? You can take out your earplugs now. I can't really see if I'm getting it.
I'll feed you some in just a minute. Just a minute.
Alright, you know you're empty when it's $110.45 for 30 gallons.